Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. So I'm going to mix a flush color and use it in my painting that I'm doing. What I did was I started doing this video and then I was just going to use my regular folk art flush paint, but I get asked a lot to use the mixtures. So I thought, okay, let's do that. I'm going to take, let me think here. Let me see if I could do this a little bit easier. I'm going to take an orange. And then a little bit of red to deepen. I'm sorry if you can hear the guy next door doing leaves. Okay, some red. And I'm gonna mix these two together a little bit. And let's see. I want it to be kind of dark. Yeah. Now I'm going to take a little bit of white. I need to find my new white. Oh, child. Okay. Yeah, and I'm going to pull from here and let's mix and see what we got going on. And you can see already it's starting to lighten. You really want to blend. That is a big deal. And look at that. Look what we're doing. Orange, yes. Just keep going in with white to lighten it until you get the shade that you want. Now, one thing I will do, don't have it sitting here, is add, don't have it. That is terracotta. If you have like burnt umber, let's see, here we go. Let's see if a little burnt umber, a little, this is asphaltum. I'm gonna put it right here and show you. Oh, come on now. Just a little bit like that. I don't know where the heck my burnt umber is. And then take a little bit of that. You can warm it up. Depends on what you're going for. I mean, and you really can go light. But you see we have that. So then I'm going to take this. Look at that. Just keep going in. And we're getting a nice skin color. And you want it a little bit more, you know. We could pull this in a little bit. So it's really just playing until you get a color that you want. I'm going to go in with that. And then I'll show you what I'm going to do. So I'm going to go in just like this. I'll go a little bit bigger than what I drew just to kind of go over the lines. But what I like doing is, where's my extender? I'm going to use a little bit of this extender because it's drying out from mixing. What I'll do now is do this here. Go in with some white, a little bit lighter. Look at that. Look at that. How nice. Oh, it's gorgeous. And go, look at that. Oh, and go in the middle. And all extender is like, keeps it, you know, wet a little bit longer. You could use blending medium, whatever you have. Yes, please. Look at that. Okay, so I'm going to take this down. This is going to be for the shoulders. Move this out of the way. I should grab a smaller brush, but And I'll take this down further because I know that my paper is gonna, cover it, my dress, but just want to make sure. Now, look, when you mix colors, and I'm sure if you watch other artists, you know, you can make enough that you have some left over. So, like for instance, if I don't know, oh, how wide this is going to be or whatever, and I need extra, put like a wet paper towel or something on top of it, just so you have it. Or put it in a nice little plastic container. That way you have it if you need it anymore at the end. All right, so I have that middle done. And I can go back in. If I want it a little bit warmer, take a little bit of that, whatever brown you're using. And take it like around the outside. Remember, I'm doing a folk art girl. I'm not worrying about realism or anything. I'm just doing one of my little girls that I love doing. And then I'll go in a little bit more with that dark. Let me wet my brush just the littlest bit, yeah. I'll mix it in. Kind of go around the outside, go the neck. I'm going to put hair on her, so I'm not going to worry too much if I go outside the line. Just kind of adding. A little bit. If you need more white, grab more white. And that's all I'm going to do. I'm going to leave that dry. Now, you see here, while this dries, I can take more white. Where'd my white go? Okay. Focus, Kelly. Okay. And like I said about mixing it, I swear the next video I will have a brand new white. See what I'm saying? It's mad. It's like, don't get rid of me. And you could take this and start mixing. And what you could do, I'm mixing it all in. You could save this and you'll have your starter for your next skin color. I suggest, this is a piece of paper, but I suggest doing this on a piece of parchment or something nonstick, your mat, so then you can scrape it up and get all that deliciousness. But I would start with something like this. Maybe you want it a little bit browner, a little bit warmer. Okay, scrape that, put that in there, that's what you'll start with. So then you can see, and you can get it to whatever color you want, but I could take now the white and start mixing it, and you'll have your base. See? A little bit more white if you want it. Look at that. And now we have our light flesh color. So you have, oh girl, I'll wipe that off with water, or I'll just smudge it in. Ain't nobody mad at that. So now you can see with just some white, you can go from, your base, add some white, add some white, add some more white, and we have 3 different tones. So you want to add a little bit more brown in, you can, you got your shade, your shading, you got your lightest, you can even add more. So you can really play with this and have fun. And like I said, store it, and then you have it to play with each time. Maybe you want to go darker. Look at how pretty. You can make her tan. I mean, there's just so many things. So this is something that I absolutely love. I love to play with the different shades and the different colors. And I'm just, so this doesn't get wasted, putting it in here. So you definitely can have fun and play. So I hope that this helped you a little bit and that you see me using it. It's still wet, so it's going to be, you know, and look, you can see this is a definite more peacher color where that's more of a brown. So it doesn't matter. You have fun. You do what you want to do. And now you have your base of what to work with. So I hope you enjoyed this color mixing. And as always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. Remember, there are a million different ways to do this, a million different ways to mix colors. It depends on what what you want your outcome to be, and just have fun with it. It's really fun and it's really easy. And, you know, it's a lot cheaper than having to go out and buy flesh colors. Although I will say this is, you guys know, if you've been with me for the years that I've been on here, light flesh is my go-to. This or Santa's flesh from Ceramcoat. So let me know what you guys think about this. And as always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. Sorry if I already said that. I will see you in my next video. I'm going to link down below the video for this background and this finished piece. Please go check it out and share me everywhere because I enjoy that. And if you'd like to, please click that subscribe button and hit that notification button so you get notified when I upload. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.